Three divers swim around a moss-covered 1960s classic Mustang submerged inside a rusted Russian warship at the dark seabed. Two large white beluga whales glide gracefully past the underwater Mustang wreck.
Close-up of a large crab crawling over the rusty, coral-encrusted hood of the Mustang. A lobster hides inside the broken front grille near the round headlights.
Divers attach heavy-duty yellow lifting straps to the Mustang's chassis frame.
Three heavy-lift helicopters hover over the ocean surface, pulling thick cables taut.
The Mustang breaks the surface of the water, sea foam and salt pouring off its mossy roof. The helicopters lower the dripping car onto a massive wooden pallet on the deck of a support ship.
A transport truck hauls the palletized Mustang through a dense, foggy forest road. It's a group of wild deer stand at the edge of the forest road, watching the truck pass by. A brown bear looks up from the brush as the truck moves through the deep woods. The truck enters a vast valley, under dark, heavy rain clouds. Torrential rain washes away the loose layers of silt and salt from the Mustang's body. The truck pulls into a bright, professional automotive garage with clean concrete floors. The high-pressure power washing of the wheels, blasting away barnacles and dried coral.
A technician uses a scraper to remove thick, calcified shells from the door panels.
Removing the rusted-out round headlights to reveal the empty sockets. Using an orbital sander on the hood, removing the pitted paint and rust. Sparking from a grinder as the technician cuts away a corroded section of the fender.
Welding a new piece of high-grade steel into the lower door panel.
Applying a chemical rust converter to the bare metal chassis.
Smoothing high-quality body filler over the welded seams.